This is the voice note of Yemat. Now, I want to show you how you can make use of your alipay account. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store to download alipay. Now, let's proceed. This is my alipay account. You click on it. Please follow the steps that I'll be showing you. The first thing you need to do is to change this is plus 8686. That's 86. That's China. So you change it to Nigeria. You know you're in Nigeria, so you want to make use of your Nigeria number. So you click on it. Nigeria. Click on it. Put your number. My number is 080. You put 0399 37857. Next, they'll send a code to that line. That you just give them the number. They'll send a code there. I'm still waiting for the code. That means I click on resend. They've sent the code. You click on agree. And here we go. This is your alipay account. This is the alipay account I told you to open. Is as simple as that. Now, click on me here. Click on me. Can you see me? Down at your right hand side. Click on it. Click on it. Click on next. Have you seen? After clicking, the arrow settings direct you to your main page where you will see your Taobao username you created. This is it. Have you seen? This is the Taobao username that Alipay created for you. So now, let's proceed. You can copy it. Is this same Taobao account, that's the username on Taobao, that you will use hmm, to register your to log in on your 1688 account? Now we've registered with Taobao. Is this same username that you will use to register to open your 1688 account as I explained earlier? So that's all about that.